Hello, hello. So we are ready for new episode. Scientific progress must continue, and unfortunately, that will, I think, not be in Akizeta's land. She just lost several bases. This big one, this one is empty, and then this one is also empty, and like yeah, 111, and this is Miriam's unit. She seems to be dying rather quickly. So that's like our science competition being killed there. Other than that, Morgan is doing quite well, and then I guess Miriam will be a monster, and pretty much we can expect her to attack us. But we'll think of it when it comes to our doors. Meanwhile, we have to develop. I was looking a bit at the land and what to do. We now have these size 5 bases, and we actually have troubles keeping them happy. That's why we are building research hospitals. We cannot use police since we are in free market, so we can make 4 citizens happy with network node and recreation commons, and then the 5th one already has to be a specialist, but it doesn't have to be a doctor. We can actually switch it to librarian. And I think governor will be returning this guy into doctor, so we need to be checking on that. It produces lots of energy. It's 5, I think. 7 plus 4, and this is 7 plus 8. So it's 4 energy. By default is plus 3, and then we have network node to boost it. Although sometimes it's about rounding. I've seen it give 5. That's cool. We also have a ton of actually commerce energy. That's cool. So we fixed that one. We have 100 energy credits, and it's 21.99. Cool year. So we are almost at the new century. I also saw this. Can I change you? No, I can't. Yeah. Need to rush things, I guess.
Request confirmation.
We still have lots of these small bases that we want to grow. We want everything at population 5, I think, and then we will need something else to boost them to 7. Maybe use Psych. We will see.
Request confirmation.
Diplomacy. We are actually vendetta against Miriam and Santiago, but I think we cannot talk to anyone yet. Yes, sunspot activity is disrupting communications. But okay. I think we are safe for the moment. Okay, rush. I can just go like this. I can rush you.
Insufficient energy.
Okay. Like optimally, the best way to rush things is like rush bases that produce things slowly.
Request confirmation.
Not this, like for example this base. Not you. Come on. Like this one, no minerals. Like we should rush this because it will never build a thing, or if it produces 1 or 2 minerals, then it's a good idea to rush it. These guys who produce like 6, 7, 8 minerals, they do stuff pretty quickly, so you don't even have to rush it, I guess. So we should focus rushing in smaller bases, like 1, 2, 3, like these. We'll see. Cannot talk to anyone. We are in no dangers of worms or anything, so let's just keep going and we'll watch. I think Akizeta dies here. Yeah. She lost this base.
Production complete.
Okay, this is our scout. Ah, that's a probe. I will not kill it, I could, but I want to see it. Other unit. We're just, oops, we're just scouting a bit. So why am I here? Ah, okay, I forgot. We also wanted to actually upgrade some of our units into fungicidal farmers for the energy credit, yes. We have lots of fungus, so it's good to upgrade some of these.
Terraform complete.
Otherwise we will never remove this junk fungus. Okay, that was a mistake.
Turn complete.
So 53 credits, and I cannot actually upgrade any farmers. That's a bit sad. Upgraded only this one. Yeah. Well, everyone is busy. That was a quick turn. I guess let's rush something. Oops. Ah, see. This guy finished recycling tanks, network nodes, and it grows very slowly. Now this base cannot actually grow anymore. This pop, and then it needs sea tiles, which is kinda sad. I guess just like I could build maybe a farmer, or just for future something like recreation commons or children's scratch. Let's go this. It will take some time. Rocky and Derrit, I actually have to terraform level this.
Turn complete.
Or I'll rather help this farmer finish first, so we have minerals actually here. Yeah. Let's find something cheap. This is actually a good idea to also improve, to rush. That is fun, see.
Request confirmation.
Okay. And then, why is this stagnant? Ah, that's because you are working this. And now it's 2 turns, oh my god. Well, okay, whatever. Recreation commons is next, that's fine. Okay. Well, it's a progress. Let's go. Another base. Another base, oh my god. This is fastest loss ever. She's so useless, oh my god.
Production complete. Improvement already exists.
So we are just building forests here. Not much else to do. Other like spam. I guess. I'll build a farm and solar. Yeah, nothing to do. That. We are just gonna do our magic here. Build road, finish forest. Sweet. Okay, now that's a decent tile. Production started, sweet. And then we'll improve this tile, and this base will be decent. It's just junk at the start. Forest as well. Fungicidal, see. And now this guy will remove fungus in only 3 turns. Beautiful. And I'll upgrade these two as well. I think it's worth it.
Turn complete.
It's really nice that we have Hive as a shield here. Well, gotta have some luck, right? So this base can grow, and it grows slowly. We could actually grow it faster if we want. Although there is not much point. I mean, there is grow. No, two. Yeah, I didn't realize this was not a rolling tile. So at this point, Luna Cod Outpost. Which one is that? This one in the middle. This will actually be a good production base. Look at these mines. You can build mines and then I guess some boreholes. It depends how flat is terrain. We could use probes, maybe steel techs. We can also use units, although we are entering this support thing. Missile rover is in university base, so we will get the prototype soon. I'll go try and, I mean, but I cannot steal even tech, like, time will stop me, I cannot go through his land, and then I cannot go here. There is not much point. I could rather build, like, command center, since it will be a good base. We will eventually need some units, so I have like 5 bases with command centers, so they will be good. We have to pay maintenance, that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Yeah, okay. Can we switch something? Democratic free market knowledge? We'll keep it as is. We have good efficiency, so that helps money, research and drones. And just keep rushing. Pirates lost the base. Oh my god. Probably something on the sea. There are 2 bases at the south. Yeah, this one left. Morgan is finishing this project. That's a secret project that gives you bases free population when you build them. AI uses it actually, okay, since they build PSC bases, and then it also reduces drone in small bases. It's useful, he has small bases. Yeah, he lost this base to Miriam. I mean, if he cannot defend his sea bases, then I don't know who can. Look at that secret project there. He's also full of 111 units. Finally, okay, he has this one.
Terraform
that.
complete.
Do we want to? I guess we do. I will upgrade this one as well. Look at it, 6 energy, beautiful. I mean, this is really rare to see. 416. That's something. Sweet. Okay. So some forest here, it's a junk land, we don't have advanced terraforming. But we need to improve it. Anything we build here will be very useful eventually. See, this forest already is spread, beautiful. And then we will terraform level this. We don't want rocky. Where is it?
Turn complete.
Then we'll remove fungus here, and that will be somewhat decent base. 70 credits again, and then let's rush something. See, this base is good, 2 good tiles, so it will grow, it will build up this on its own for the most part. This one is not so good, and it also grows slowly, so rushing, for example, recycling tanks will speed up growth significantly from 10 to 5 turns. Rushing this is also excellent, we immediately can work another tile. This one has lots of production. Rushing this also would give us chance to build these farmers, which we want 4 turns. Rushing this is great. And then this base needs actually recreation commons. And as well as recycling tanks, but I think in this order. First this, then this. I like what I see here, we have lots of potential. I want sea farmer here, so I will rush this.
Request confirmation.
And then this base will grow to 2, and then it has some time to grow to pop 3. Children's Scratch Recreation Commons. I don't know about that actually. We'll see. I want that farmer SAP. So I'll maybe change production. Okay, prototype, sweet. So minerals will overflow, so 3 minerals here, base producing 11, so 8 will go to the next item, whatever we decide to produce. We'll see.
Insufficient energy.
Okay, let's finish that. Cannot talk to anyone yet, right? Okay. Another base. Morgan finishes planetary transit system, that's fine.
Production complete.
And yeah, let's keep going. This seems like a great place for actually sensor array. Road.
Terraform complete.
Okay. Road. Also great place for sensor array.
Request
And
confirmation.
rush this. So this one is fungicidal. And this one is great tile. Okay, that's our rover. Sweet. Now where do we want it? We have some units here. A bit here. Speeder here. Nothing here. I'll move it here, I guess. We need to unlock our technologies caps. We have these boreholes, but we have no use, unfortunately, for them. Okay. Also, we did nothing here. We will eventually terraform this. University is also, like, not terraformed, unfortunately. I could perhaps build a farm and a solar here. But I have to remove Rocky. Like, it will help it grow just a bit more, not much, or I can simply clean this. Which is, I guess, more reasonable. This base got these forests, and here all its junk. Yeah, so not much to do actually, just look at this is 412. We can build a farm here, solar here, I think. Do we have it? No, but to escape. Okay. And sweet. So we can use this guy here, build a solar, so that will be... Yeah, we are also kept. No, this is all unfortunate. Free one. I mean, at this point I can send him here actually, and it's a bit of a waste, but I'll send him there.
Turn complete.
Oops, I forgot. Like, it's not like an airplane. She will kill the copter probably. I mean, okay. It was a good copter. I lost actually last time this copter as well. So we can switch this guy to librarian. See, this guy gives 5 energy. No, it's +8, it was +3. So any base that reaches 5 pop is cool for us, because that gives us 5 labs. This one is close, right? Although we'll get research thing. This is better. This style is good. Yeah, we are cleaning fungus. I'm pretty much sure that I never seen that AI loses this quickly to all its bases. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay, they liberated their base, that's good. Well, I hope that pirates can keep their sea. Sunspot activity has ended. Okay.
Production complete.
We can actually talk to aliens. Why did I thought that this is that this is not rocky? I mean, although like farm doesn't mean much here. I'll build a road. That's farmers for us, sweet. We need those. Recycling, then recreation. Gonna keep rushing. Is any of these rolling? No. No. This one. Flat and rainy. Rolling and moist. Wouldn't be a bad idea to actually like connect these bases. Build forests in between. Go there. So mobility is very important in case when you have a war and when worms spawn, mobility is key.
Invalid terraform command.
So xenofungus. I guess upgrade. At this point I think we have enough of these.
Turn complete.
Fungicide. Formers. Okay, rush you.
Confirmation.
58 credits. Gonna rush you as well.
Request confirmation.
Sweet. That's what you get when you have free market, so we'll rush all our infrastructure. That's sweet. And this is, I think, how we get the advantage over AI. Who can we talk to? I mean Akizeta, before she dies. Yes, she will trade. So she has a couple of technologies. What's unfortunate is that Miriam will maybe steal all her techs. That's awful. It doesn't have to mean, but she will probably steal some. Let's get these. She has really good techs. This is supply crawlers. This is advanced terraforming, and I think mineral mining. Or that's, I don't know, something like that. Let's trade.
In the borehole pressure mines 100 kilometers beneath planet's surface, at the Mohorovičić discontinuity where crust gives way to mantle, temperatures often reach levels well in excess of 1000 degrees Celsius. Exploitation of planet's resources under such brutal conditions has required quantum advances in robotic and teleoperational technology. Morgan Industries Limited Annual Report.
This is interesting, this Mohorovičić discontinuity thing, and that is real, I think, scientist. I remember reading about it, something, but I don't remember at this point. So deep into Earth, mantle and crust, like it's a hotter, higher temperature, and then like there are theories and logical conclusions. What kind of metals, materials, minerals are there? So like it would be very interesting to dig and get that stuff. Yeah, like it's not feasible with today's technology. But that's like, we have boreholes here, so we like are doing that. So we get hub complex, so that's POP7. So like it's not very interesting for us because we have drone issues as Zakharov. So it's really hard for us to grow above 7, but we'll get to it eventually. Planetary transit system. Yeah, this is cool. Less drone at bases, population level 3 and under. I like it. Yeah. And supply transport, okay, and supply crawler. That's interesting. So we're gonna build these. Although like we cannot crawl much yet. We need to unlock resources. We get access to wealth, which is also interesting. Minus morale you can always tank, and then for example, more money. Knowledge is simply better, seems, but we also do get the +1 industry. I'll keep it asset knowledge via Zakharov. And she wants to trade another tech, that's sweet, let's go.
The prevalence of anoxic environments, rich in organic material, combined with the presence of nitrated compounds, has led to an astonishing variety of underground organisms which live in the absence of oxygen and breathe nitrate. Likewise, the scarcity of carbon in the environment has forced plants to economize on its use. Thus, all our efforts to return carbon to the biosphere will encourage the native life to proliferate. Conversely, the huge quantities of nitrate in the soil will be heaven to human farmers. Lady
Sweet.
Deirdre Sky, the early years.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. So now we get these advanced terraforming stuff. And we can also produce more than 3 minerals. Okay, she doesn't have, I think, any more text, so she gave us the map. Now we see a bit more map here. Well, okay, she's almost dead. Whatever. Let's go back to us. Since we unlocked our stuff, we can actually use this. See? 6-2, beautiful. But I guess we are still keeping these tiles. Boreholes are nice, but no food. So while we grow, we use these rather. Here as well. And then these bases cannot actually get boreholes. Cool. Well, it is what it is. That's about boreholes. We'll use them eventually. So this tile is 5-1. And for that, it's actually excellent for crawlers. Sweet. So we'll use a crawler there. We can now build mines. It's worth it. So we can crawl 4 minerals from mines. That's beautiful. We'll do that. So I forgot to change production here. Energy banks would be good. But supply crawlers are better. Let's go. Recreation comes. Now we need to keep rushing stuff. And finish these things that we are building. Command center is also good, nice, fine, and whatever. But supply crawler is probably better. Until we really need units. Bantu. Look, we like forest here, so we really need a forest. I think pretty much everyone builds at least one supply crawler SAP. It's that good. I mean, the thing is, supply crawlers are strong, but they are not broken. Unless you use them to rush secret projects, I guess. Which we could. Okay. If I talk to Svensgaard, he might break the pact. Since we are using knowledge. Morgan likes us. Although, like, they will not trade with us anyway. He doesn't have any data. Are we leader? We might be. Yeah. Tech Provasmak. So 100 years into the game we finally are tech leader. Because we are using knowledge. Our pirate friend Svensgaard, he likes power as a pirate, so he will not tolerate as much. I'm not sure if he even would trade now. And then our second friend, Young, he doesn't like democracy. So our politics maybe are not ideal. So I will not contact them actually. Let's keep going. Just check quickly. No stockpile energy, that's what I'm looking for, and let's go.
Production complete.
Okay. Now we don't need to build, since I was going to build a solar collector here, but since we already have this nutrient resource, great thing here to build is actually condenser, to boost more food. Condenser will give you 50% food, whatever that.
Terraform complete.
If you check here, it says +1 food, but it's lying. You can check if you didn't. My advanced terraforming tutorial, condensers give +50 food, so it will give more than 1 usually, and will also make everything green around, which is beautiful. And here, since we have our super junk land, we want condensers as AP, and for that we actually want to find our resources. So the best place to build condensers is on top of these resources. We would also like to make all this green, if possible. Some of these tiles would be good. So like there is a point to just building a condenser, for example, right on this tile. But let's go travel. We'll improve first this one. Shortcut is N.
Invalid terraform command.
Okay, and this is... yeah, I wanted to remove fungus, so I'll do it. Build the road. Remove fungus. So, this is farm and condenser. Although this is good tile. Even this way. Can we improve something else? Let's go here. Yeah, he wants to talk. Okay, he wants to trade. I can try to give him this tech, but he'll probably refuse, so I don't know. Let's just go with it. He cannot even use fully ecological engineering since he's in the sea. It's a deal.
Important? Yes. Critical? Absolutely. I would go so far as to say that superconducting fiber alone makes our present economy possible. CEO Mabuda K. Morgan. Morgan Link 3D Vision live interview.
Superconductors. I think I actually never talked about this, and this is cool technology. So if you didn't know, superconductors, when we are transporting electricity using wires and from transformer stations to cities and homes, we send electricity through wires and then we lose huge amounts of energy and heat, and the energy is lost like on the way traveling. And what the idea is with superconductors, and in general in electronics, like you lose energy along the way, is that you make these conductors that will through which you will be able to send the energy without loss or with minimal losses. And it's technically possible, which you get, for example, like if you have metals on a very low temperature, then like molecules are not jumping around, so they are in order, they are not losing energy to heat. And then if you could like try to send the current through such superconductors, the current would flow, but without like crashing around and losing ton of energy in the process. But it's not feasible like to cool materials to such temperature. That's why the scientists try to find the materials which would behave the same but on a room temperature. So like the temperature we have in the nature, I don't know, 30 degrees, 20 degrees. But like we never got to it, never made such materials. Okay, he broke our pact, as expected. So we have superconductors, so we have Gatling lasers, that too somehow is connected. Okay, so I guess we can expect next that Young will break the pact. But we already have some weapons and protection, so I think we are safe. Okay, let's go help there. Sweet. See, we now have access to this beautiful tile. We can, I think, prioritize growth. Gonna build farm.
Turn complete.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's enough for this video. We made great progress, I think. Rush some things, we'll rush more, we have money. So our bases grow since we have plus growth from democracy. Forests are spreading. Yeah, we finished some of the stuff. Building supply crawlers got to very important technologies. We lost a couple of friends and she's dying, but yeah, not much to do, especially about her. Yeah, I think we are doing well. Like, need just a bit of more time and we'll get, see, this is pop 6, I need to recheck this base. So we'll get our bases to bigger size. And with crawlers we'll get lots of minerals, and then we can even, if we get attacked, we can conquer, for example, these bases, get rid of him here. We will not try to conquer the map, I at least didn't intend to do so. But I guess if we get attacked, we'll retaliate. We'll see about that. Looks like a fun game. Will be interesting. Thank you for watching the video, and then see you next episode.